Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem. Here we have 5 to the power of 1 plus n plus 5 to the power of 1 minus n is equals to 26, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first I can use here the nice exponential law, and you know about this law. If we have a to the power of m plus n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of a to the power of n. So now we can break the exponents of both of the terms according to this law, so that this expression will becomes in the form of 5 to the power of 1 times and 5 to the power of n plus, now we break these two exponents and we get 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of minus n is equals to 26. After this step we will simplify the terms, and here you see that we have 5 times of 5 to the power of n plus, here you have 5 to the power of minus n, and now we will again apply another exponential law, and you know that if we have a to the power of minus n, it is equals to a to the power of 1 over plus n. So now we use this nice exponential law in this term, and you get the output in the form of 5 over 5 to the power of n is equals to 26. And now here you have time to change this nice exponential equation into the quadratic form, so that here we take the little bit substitution. So it is, we take here y is equals to 5 to the power of n. So when you can put y is equals to 5 to the power of n in this equation, you will get the output in the form of 5 times of y plus 5 over y is equals to 26. After this step we will make the simplification here, so that now we can multiplying both sides by y, so that when you multiply both sides by y you will get the output in the form of, when you multiply y on this term you will get 5 times of y squared, plus when you multiply y on this term you will cancel out the y's and you get plus 5 is equals to, you can multiply y on the right hand side, you get 26y. Similarly we will rearrange the terms, and now we move this 26 in the left hand side, and you get 5 times of y squared minus 26y plus 5 is equals to 0. And now you have time to make the factors of this equation, so that here we need any two numbers whose product p is 25, because when you multiply this 5 by 5 you will get our answer is 25, and when you add these two numbers, or when you sum these two numbers, you will get here minus 26. So that these two numbers are minus 25 times of minus 1. So when you multiply minus 25 by minus 1 you get plus 25, and when you add minus 25 minus 1 you get minus 26. And now we multiply this term by y and you get minus 26y is equals to minus 25y and minus y. So now we replace this minus 26y by minus 25y and minus y, and you get the output in the form of 5y squared minus 25y and minus y plus 5 is equals to 0. So now we will take common 5y from the first two terms, and you get the output in the form of 5 times of y into y minus 5, and here you take common minus 1 and you get y minus 5 is equals to 0. After this step we will take common y minus 5 on both of the terms, so that you get y minus 5 times of 5y minus 1 is equals to 0. So here you have two cases. The first case is we take y minus 5 is equals to 0, and the other case is we take 5y minus 1 is equals to 0. So that in the first case you get the value of y is equals to 5, and in this case you get the value of y is 1 over 5. So now we will back substitute the value of y, and here you have we can substitute y is equals to 5 to the power of n, so that when you back substitute the value of y in this equation, you will get 5 to the power of n is equals to 5. And now similarly we will put here the value of y, and you get 5 to the power of n is equals to 1 over 5. So now first you can focus on the first case, and in this case you see that we have a 5 to the power of n is equals to 5 to the power of 1, so that here I can apply the nice exponential law. And you know about this law, if we have a to the power of m is equals to a to the power of n, so this implies that m is equals to n. So it means that when you have bases on both of the sides are same, so that its exponents are equals to each other according to this exponential law. So that we will use here this exponential law in the first case, so that here you see that bases on both of the sides are same, so that its exponents are equal, and in the first case you get the value of n is equals to 1. Similarly we will solve the second case, and in the second case first I will a little bit the simplified of second case, and you get 5 to the power of n is equals to, here you have 1 over 5 to the power of 1. Now first I can use here another exponential law, and I can already explain this law. If you have a to the power of minus n, it is equals to 1 over a to the power of n. So according to this law, when you can move this 5 in the upsides, you will get its negative exponent, so that you get 5 to the power of minus 1. And similarly now you again compare both of the sides, and you see that bases on both of the sides are same, so that its exponents are equals to each other, and here you get n is equals to minus 1. And finally we will say that the solution set of this question is plus minus 1, and this is the our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.